So let us consider the next page replacement strategy, that is optimal page replacement. So in optimal page replacement, so we have to replace that page in the frames of the memory, so which will take longer time in the reference string to reappear. So you have to find such pages, and you have to replace that page with the newly arriving page. So that's what it is called as optimal page replacement. So I will repeat it again. So you have to replace that page of your pages in the memory which will take longer time to reappear in the reference string. So such pages you have to find out and you have to replace. So let us solve with a sample problem, okay, then you can easily understand how it will going to work. So these are all the reference strings: 1 2 3 4 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let us take number of frames as 3 itself. Okay, number of frames is equal to 3. So, and we are going to do optimal page replacement strategy. Okay, in optimal page replacement, so we have to find out the page which will take longer time to reappear in your given reference string. So this is a reference string. So observe initially, so this is a memory. So page 1 I am going to check here, page 1 is not present, so you have to bring the page and store in your memory. So this is page fault. Next, 2 is also not present, so bring page 2, this is second page fault. So 3 is also not present, so bring page 3, so third page fault. Okay, now observe this. So page 4, so page 4 is not present in our memory. Now we have to apply optimal page replacement. Now optimal page replacement means, so the pages which are present in your memory, so out of these 3 pages, which page will take longer time to reappear again? So such pages you have to identify and replace that with the new page anta artha. Okay, observe this. Which are the pages which are there in memory? 1 2 3 alva. Now let us start from here. So don't go back, so start checking the appearance of these pages from forward, not go backwards. Okay, now so let us start with positions. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5th. Okay, so 1 is appearing at 5th position, correct? 2 is appearing at 6th position, and 3 is appearing at 10th position, correct? Okay, so 1 2 3, so 1 appears at 5th, 2 appears at 6th, whereas 10 appears at 3 appears at the 10th position. So which page is taking longer time to reappear now? It is page 3. So that page we have to replace with the new page. So that is called OPT, optimal page replacement. So 1 2, I am replacing 3 by 4. Okay, simple. Next, which is the next page? 1. So 1 is already present, so no page fault. Next page is 2. 2 is also present, so no page fault. 5 is not present, correct? So here is a page fault. So now which are the pages I need to consider now? It is 1 2 3. So I will be checking in forward direction, correct? So where 1 will occur now? So start from the beginning, check, find out the position. So it is the 8th position. 2 will appear at the 9th position, correct? Next thing is 4, correct? You want to check where 4 will come. 4 will come at the 11th position, correct? So which is taking longer time to reappear? It is page number 4, it is taking longer time, correct? So you have to replace that with the new page. So 1 2, replace 4 by 5, that's it. Okay, So next one is, which is the next page now? It is 1 is already present, so no page fault. 2 is present, so no page fault. 3 is not present, so page fault will occur. So which are the pages you have to consider now? It is 1, 2 and 5. Okay, now these are the only 2 pages which are remaining. Okay, which are the pages 4 and 5. So which are the pages you are going to consider? 1, 2 and 5. So 1, 2 are not present in the remaining reference string. Okay, means 5 will come at the 12th position, correct? 1 will not reappear, 2 will also not reappear. So when pages are not reappearing, means it is assumed that they are the pages which are taking longer amount of time anta artha. So since there are 2 pages which will take longer time, okay, so you can take any of the one page and replace that with the newer page, correct? So I will take 1 itself. Okay, since both 1 is also not reappearing, 2 is also not reappearing, any of the one I will be considering, so I will consider 1. So I will replace 1 by 3, 2, 5. Okay, next is page 4. Okay, so which are the pages I need to consider now? It is 3, 2 and 5. So only 5 will come, whereas 3 and 2 will never come, right? Will never reappear, means you can take any of the one page and replace it with the new page, that's it. So I will consider 3 itself. I will replace 3 by 4, 2, 5. So last page is 5. So 5 is already present in my memory, so no page fault. Okay, now count how many page faults has occurred here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of page faults is equal to 7. So that is what optimal page replacement says. Okay, so in FIFO, how much page faults you got? It is 9, correct? So here how much page faults you got? It is 7. So that's how it will be varying. Page faults will be varying depending on what strategy we are going to choose for replacement. So that ends the problem on optimal page replacement.